Hey guys, Teresa here with Sippie Couture. I have something that I'm super excited to show you guys, and this is my first time doing something like this, so I'm also nervous, so please just work with me. I'm going to give you a quick little backstory. So like I said, Teresa with Sippie Couture, we're a small business. My husband and wife work from home. I make custom tumblers and he does display cases, and we're just outside of New Orleans, Louisiana. I grew up in a small business. My parents had an air duct cleaning business over on the West Bank of New Orleans, Louisiana. So I grew up knowing that supporting local businesses and shopping small, it does a lot. It does a lot to give back to this community, and it's something that I've always wanted to do. Once we started our business, see how much stuff I can get locally. So after I started tumblers, I came across a business called Mr. Nola's Glitter, and their glitter, the prices, the quality, the shipping, everything was so much better than everything else I found. And the fact that they were local, like, just took my heart. Since then, that was 2018, I think. So since then, or 17, I don't know. So since then, I've been buying everything, pretty much everything from them. And I've completely fallen in love with every single thing they put out. They're small business. And one of the things that's so great is that they work with small businesses. I mean, everybody doing these tumblers right now, it's people trying to get started at their homes. So the Nolas understand that, and they keep everything to where it's friendly for everyone. They have a few subscriptions that are out that you can get, and this is one of them. Oh, this is why I'm so excited. So a few weeks ago, they had a retreat, a Nola retreat over at their little business, and it was so much fun. We got to hang out. It was like 100 people. We got to hang out, craft, mingle. The food was amazing. Their staff. This is one of the things. I really loved their glitter, and I fell in love with their epoxy. And then when I got to meet them and everybody that works with them, y'all, my heart, like, oh my goodness, they are the most amazing people. The thing that's so cool, and I know I'm rambling here, but just one more second, is that they want you to be as great as they want to be. So it's so cool. Like, it's so cool to get someone who's like cheering you on and really wants everything for you. It's just the coolest thing. So one of the packages that they're putting together is something called a Muse Box. And a few of us, myself, along with some super, super talented makers, like I almost don't even believe my name is in the mix with them. Almost makes me want to cry. We get some products sent to us, and we get to take a sneak peek at it and show you guys what some possibilities are, and then give our little spin on it. So I'm honored. I'm honored and blown away to be able to have this opportunity. Oh my goodness. Because, I mean, I'm just putting pretty glitter on a cup. So for it to work out and get recognized, especially by them and people that I just admire so much, I'm like talking, going, I don't know. It means a lot. So I'm going to shut up and we're going to get right to this. So this is called a Muse Box. Make sure I got everything out of this. And I cheated. I'm sorry. I cheated. I opened this. I wanted to see what I had, and I was trying so hard to wrap my brain around everything. I peeked at everything. All right, so what these are they call them sticky sheets. You get 8 printed sticky sheets. I'm cheating. There's my computer behind the camera that I need to read off of. So it's called a Muse Box. It's a monthly subscription. You get 8 printed sticky sheets, a specialty sheet, a word art decal, a color decal sheet, and an accent sheet. Sorry, I don't have that memorized yet. Maybe one day. Just today's not the day. So here are a few of them that came out. Now, the cool thing about these is that they'll work similar to how Water Slide does, except that you don't have to print it yourself. There's so many designs that they have out, and they're always updating them and coming out with new things, so it's super exciting. The other cool thing is that the way that they're printed, this is a chrome one. Oh my goodness. The way that these are printed is that you can put this on a dark background or any color background, and the color will stay true. This right here, this top is not clear. This is printed on a chrome, on just a chrome backing. Let me see if I can take it apart. I probably shouldn't have cut my nails 10 minutes ago, but they were nasty. So it's on a chrome backing, so you won't be able to see through this. This is completely opaque. Yes, opaque. I'm learning my words. But this is one of them, and under epoxy, this is going to show up so, so pretty. There's some gold in there that you can see it kind of reflects. See how it's in there? And I'm going to be using something out of here to create a tumbler. I am going to do a tutorial on it for anybody that wants to follow. Not going to be live because I'm too scared to go live. Working on that too. So these are 2 of the chrome sheets that they have, and they are completely gorgeous. I bent this one. I put it, and this was one of the ones I was like dying to use. I'm not sure if that's going to show up, but I had an idea to just do a chunky glitter waterfall type thing over it, and I think that'll cover it. So this is on my list to play with. This is another chrome sheet. Again, same thing, you're not able to see through this, but the colors, I don't know if you can see how the chrome is peeking through some of that glitter. It's just so cool. So that will show up, like it is going to possibly be blinding under epoxy. This one, let's see, I'm gonna have to take some of these, the edges off some of these to show you exactly, because I'm not sure. All right, this is another one. You can see how it comes across, like you won't be able to see through that, right? So you can use this as a wrap. You can slice it down and use it as little accent lines. That would actually be really, really pretty. Ooh, I have an idea. Okay, so there, can't see this through this one. These are cool. This is just the sweetest thing. Stronger than the storm. I am unstoppable. These are clear. You can take these off. You can cut them out and place them on top of your tumbler with glitter. And what happens is that the way they print these is that it's printed on like solid ink. So you'll still be able to see the words even if you do it over a dark background. The sticker is, it's clear. So you don't have to trim super close to the words. You don't have to worry about seeing an outline. Get your epoxy down, get your glitters epoxy down, put on a sticky sheet, make sure the bubbles are out and set it. That is it. I mean, that's probably the easiest design you could ever come with. They have so many different sayings. There's a like a bad word saying, like little phrases. I need it. I need it. This is another one, same thing. They are translucent. The film is the clear, but these are, they're completely, you can't see them through them. They're completely opaque. So when you go to put this on your cup, that same thing, you can't see through it. So you can have a pretty design over any color glitter and no issues at all with it taking away from the design. This is another one that you can see through. And like I said, you could just peel off the corner to see what it is, but it's some just some paint splatter. I had an idea that I'll give you guys of doing like a reverse rainbow ombre to kind of offset each color. I think that'd be cool. I think that'd be really, really cool. So if I don't do it, somebody has to do it and show me what it looks like. Another little paint splatter. And the clear parts of this, the white parts, you can see through that. You can see through that and the rest of it you cannot. So it's actually maybe, I don't know. Actually, you know what? I think you can. I think that if you put like a white glitter under this, you'll be able to have the shine from the glitter without quite it being like distracting. Like, because what it will do is the other paint colors that are on here will kind of give it a shimmer behind it. We have another super, super gorgeous, I don't know what we're calling this, marbled type design. This one, same thing. You cannot see through this one. So another great wrap, another similar thing. These stars, oh my goodness. So these stars right here, this is a cool one. These stars are peekaboo. So you can lay this over glitter and your glitter will just, will shine from in between the stars and everything else will just be covered. So full wrap, you can use as a full wrap. You can, like I said, slice it. If you want just a few stars, slice it in sections. And just so many possibilities with these. Here's another one. Let's check this one out. Is this one the same thing? Kind of hoping one of these would be clear because I have an idea. Nope, same thing. Okay, so you can't see through this one either. But still it would make an amazing wrap. And the gold that's in there, you can kind of see some of the shine to it, but that gold under there, it almost looks like glitter inside those little, that pattern. And once that gets under epoxy, like it almost looks like real glitter. Like it definitely has an illusion of that sparkly offset with the gold glitter. So it's just perfect. And then here's another one. You've got that vibe, some fun little prints, checkers. They're coming out with a ton of boy designs too. You can see how this is, you know, peekaboo through some of the parts where you can put glitter behind it, but you still won't have it take away from the design if you want to do, what am I saying here? It won't take away from the design if you wanted to do colors behind it. That's what it was. If you wanted to do like a strong color base, you're not going to have an issue where the designs won't show up or they'll get lost. It'll just stand out perfect from the way that they're set. So like I said, guys, this is a subscription box that they're going to be doing monthly. Every month they're doing new designs, new sheets. Check out their website. They have a whole collection of sticky sheets, and you don't have to, you're not set to that monthly subscription for the sticky sheets. You can go on their website and they have tons of them. You can buy them, buy the sheet. There's packs of them, like summer packs and animal print packs that you can get, different sayings, quotes, rainbows, everything. I don't know what they don't have yet. I think, and there's more that they're adding. Like every few days, we're like, okay, what else can we do? So it's really exciting what they're coming out with. It's definitely a game changer. Just a thought to not have to fight with water slide and seal that, or one of my printers is going to be funky, is kind of amazing. Because sometimes it's nice to just be able to whip out a quick tumbler ready to sell, or just a last minute gift, especially as some of the holidays come around. You know, we'll get on some of the sheets that they have and have them ready, that when people come up for that last minute gift, so many options, there will be something for everyone. Like it's not even, it won't even be an issue. The only thing I definitely want to let you guys know is that with these sticky sheets, they cannot ship with epoxy. Mr. Nola's Glitter has our own epoxy line. There's a speed dry epoxy. Within 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours, you can sand it. You can sand it and recoat it. It's cured to the touch so quick. You do want to let it sit for a day or so after that to fully cure before really, really heavy use. But it's set so fast, you can sand it right away, and it can be used as a final coat. So it has the UV protectants in it. It's not going to yellow. Well, rephrase that. Every epoxy will yellow over time. The tolerance on this is insane. I have cups that have not yellowed, and I've been using this stuff for a while. They also have a glass coat epoxy, and they are not kidding when they say glass. I have photos that are so, like, I can't even, it's hard to show. I almost can't post them on Facebook because the reflection, like you see me with my phone trying to take a picture of it. So their epoxy is amazing. And the thing is that these cannot be shipped with epoxy. The way that the epoxy is, some of them are in gallons, some are quarts. If you put these in the box with the sticky sheets, they're going to get messed up, and they do not want to ruin any sticky sheets for you guys. They want every product that they have and that they're making perfect in the store and perfect when it gets to you. So these cannot ship with epoxy. Buy all the glitter you want. You can get inks, alcohol inks, and any type of paint additives that you want. They have all that there. That can ship with it. They package it in a lot. They over package it. They'll put it in like a Ziploc and then tape it up real good so that even if the mailman decided to step on the box, it's not going to leak out of that packaging. So glitters and inks can be mailed with this, but please guys, please remember that the sticky sheets cannot be mailed with epoxy. You'll have to do 2 separate orders for that. But when I tell you it's worth it, like the game changer that's coming from these is just too exciting. And like I said, the fact that you know, one of the people they asked to review some of these products and get these out to you guys, it's amazing. Like I'm so honored and excited for everything that has to come. I just love them. Y'all can hear me say it all the time. I really do love them. They're amazing people. They're great with their customer service. Call them, they'll answer in a second. So this is it. This is what I have to share with you guys. Like I said, I'm using one of these for a tumbler that I'm going to do, and it's going to be exciting. I'm kind of torn whether I'm going to go super soft or very bold with it, and I think I might do bold. I like doing really soft designs, but I might go ahead and mix it up for a minute. So there you go, guys. I hope this is helpful. I hope you guys get yourself some sticky sheets. When I tell you they're amazing, like completely amazing. Check them out. If you have any questions, you can message me. I'm more than happy to answer any questions, see what you guys need help with, and any designs, or I don't know, just to vent. I'm here. So message me. Please like and follow my my YouTube. I would really appreciate that. There's a few more tutorials and stuff that I'm going to be getting out, and I've really found love into helping other people. You know, at first my love was providing someone with a tumbler that was more than just something to drink out of, you know, like it represents something, or it's an extension of their personality. It's a reminder for treatments. I did a cancer tumbler, and the lady was like, I'm taking this to chemo. In my heart, like the fact that it could be, you know, not something to drink out of anymore. This means something. It is amazing. Like it is just completely amazing. So to be able to have other tumbler artists see that and share techniques that will help them and get them to that same feeling, that same excitement, that's kind of my new drive. So just let me know if you need help. The Nolas are always there if you need help. The staff, everyone is amazing. So just reach out if you need anything, any questions, we're happy to help. All right, guys. Like I said, Teresa with Sippie Couture, Mr. Nola's Glitter is where you get all this amazing stuff from. And I'll see you guys soon.